Kroger reverses its policy on self-checkout following customer complaints. Retail chains often pitch tasks that fall to customers as enhancements in choice or control. Take Panera Bread, where customers receive a cup but must pour their own coffee, ostensibly offering them complete control over their drink. Similarly, Starbucks allows customers to fully customize their orders via its app. The distinction is subtle between restaurants that add value with offerings like salsa bars at Mexican restaurants or Roy Rogers customizable burger bars, and those that offload tasks from employees to customers under the guise of convenience. However, the proliferation of self-checkout kiosks in grocery stores has often been framed as a convenience, whereas it mainly serves to reduce labor costs. In recent years, major grocery chains have widely adopted self-checkout lanes, leading to mixed results. While labor costs have decreased, incidents of theft, both intentional and unintentional, have increased. According to Aura, a loss prevention platform, 39% of all thefts within grocery stores take place at self-checkout stations. Based on an analysis of 2.5 million transactions across 10,000 stores, the average loss from self-checkout theft equals the wage of a cashier for one full 8-hour shift at $15 per hour. Kroger experiments with exclusive self-checkout locations in selected areas, including a Tennessee store retrofitted to eliminate traditional checkouts. Kroger has experimented with exclusively self-checkout setups. This store was chosen due to its high volume of self-checkout usage, as explained by a Kroger spokesperson to WKRN. Lauren Bell, Kroger's corporate affairs manager, stated that this approach allows customers to scan and bag their items themselves, speeding up the process. However, Kroger emphasized that the move to self-checkout did not eliminate checkout assistance altogether. "We still have staff at the front end ready and willing to help those who prefer not to use self-checkout," Bell added. This self-checkout only model was also tested in a Dallas store beginning in early 2021, where traditional checkout lanes were removed and replaced with enhanced self-checkout stations designed for larger purchases. According to NFCW.com, the store continued to offer cashier and clerk assistance for those needing help. Kroger discontinues its self-checkout only trial. Kroger has recently abandoned its self-checkout only trial in Dallas, reintroducing staffed checkout lanes based on customer feedback. John Vodova, a Kroger spokesman, informed the Dallas Morning News. This adjustment follows similar experiments by competitors like Target, Walmart, and Dollar General with self-checkout systems. For instance, Target has implemented item limits for self-checkout in certain locations, and Walmart has removed self-checkout in selected stores and allowed employees to disable self-checkouts temporarily for security checks, a tactic that has faced criticism for being misleading. Dollar General, too, has scaled back on self-checkout, focusing instead on enhancing customer service at the checkout area. CEO Todd Vassos remarked during an earnings call that despite the convenience offered by self-checkout in some stores, the value of attentive and friendly staff at checkout cannot be understated.